Good morning students, this is Rahul sir and you are most welcome in Mindwork classes. In previous class we have studied theorem 6.3. Now today we are going to study about the theorem 6.4. So in this triangle, in this theorem, what is given to us and what is we have to prove. In this theorem, first of all we have to prove, it is given that for any two triangles, the ratio of the respective sides is equal. This is given, and what do we have to prove? We have to prove that if the ratio of the respective sides is equal, then the respective angle must be equal, and hence the two triangles will be also similar. Okay, so let's study about this theorem 6.4. Now what is given to us? It is given that, let us take two triangles here. A, B and C, and this is P, Q and R. Okay, so what is given here? AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Okay, this is given. What do we have to prove? We have to prove that angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. This is we have to prove, and hence what do we have to prove? Hence we have to prove that ABC triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, now this is given and this we have to prove. So in just like in previous theorem, what do we have to do? We have taken this length AB and take the arc and put the mark here equal to AB. AB must be equal to PD, and similarly AC should be equal to PE. Okay, and join these 2 points. Okay, so in this case AB is equal to PD and AC is equal to PE, and already please look at here, what is given to us? AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, and from construction, please listen here, from construction what do we know? Sorry, this is also AC upon PR. Okay, now from construction we know that AB is equal to PD and AC is equal to PE. So in place of AB we can put PD, and PD upon PQ is equal to, in the place of AC we can put PE upon PR. Okay, so if you look at this one, this represents the Thales theorems. Okay, this represents the Thales theorem, implies that DE is parallel to QR. Okay, so these two lines are parallel. Okay, now if these two lines are parallel, that means these two angles must also be equal. Implies that angle D is equal to angle Q and angle E is equal to angle R. Now please understand here, these two angles are equal, these two sides are equal. Now if these two angles are equal, so obviously this angle will also be equal to this one. Implies that angle A is equal to angle P. Okay, now from here we can say that, implies that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PDE. Okay, these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, implies that by which condition? By SAS. Okay, the whole process about this in previous theorem I have already explained that AB is equal to PD, AC is equal to PE, and this angle A is equal to angle P implies that these two triangles are congruent. So from here, now if these two triangles are congruent, implies that angle B is equal to angle D, and also we know that angle D is equal to angle Q. Okay, and angle C is equal to angle E, and we also know that angle E is equal to angle R. Okay, so from here angle A is equal to angle B, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. So we have already proved all three angles are respectively equal. Implies that angle A equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Okay, so these all three angles are equal, implies that triangle ABC similar triangle PQ and okay, so this is how we prove this theorem. So please let this take a screenshot of this theorem, and now let's come to the next theorem, that is our theorem 6.5. and what is this theorem and what does it tell? In this theorem, what we have to prove here? We have to prove that if in any two given triangles the two sides, the ratio of the two sides is equal, and the angle between these two sides is also equal. If this is given, then these two triangles must be similar triangles. This is we have to prove. So 6.5. Let's talk about this one. First of all, what is given here? In this case, what is given? That and again the same case, two different triangles A, B and C, P, Q and R. Now what is given? Angle A is equal to angle P. Okay, this is given, and also it is given that AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. These two things are given. Okay, now what do we have to prove? Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. This is we have to prove. So how can we do this? How can we prove these two triangles are similar? The same previous case. First, take this point B and E, join these two lines, prove these two lines as these two lines are parallel. Okay, if these two lines are parallel, so these two angles will be equal. These two angles will be equal. Again, this line is equal to this line is equal to this line. Again, angle this is equal to angle this one. So this triangle and this triangle is congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then this line and this DE line are equal. Okay, if these two are equal, and again this angle and angle B and angle D is equal, angle C and angle E are equal, or hence angle B, angle D and angle Q are equal, angle C, angle E and angle R are equal, and from here we can prove that triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar triangles. So you can solve this theorem by your own self. Okay, so let's come to further. So solve these questions by yourself. Few questions Tomorrow I will explain few questions, solve by yourself some questions. Thank you.